Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, also known as the Chatty Pen Pal channel, and today I have another Papierre unboxing for you. Now, I think it's now October. I'm not actually sure if this is the September or the October part, because I forgot which one we opened last, because I used to get them every month. However, you may have seen it in the title, but this is going to be my last Papierre unboxing for a while. I decided to pause or stop, I don't know yet, doing these because of course I've been taking my YouTube a little bit slower lately. I closed my PO box for a while and I'm not uploading twice a week. I'm not uploading twice a week anymore, so I thought it would only make sense to also take it slower with, for example, Papierre. So I don't know yet if that means that I'm going to stop doing these completely or if I'm going to do them over on Instagram. I'm going to try that next month. So if you want to see next month's pack, follow me on Instagram because I'm going to open it there. Or if I'm going to do one of these every now and then, I don't know yet. We will have to figure that out. But for now, this will be the last one. It makes me sad. It makes me a little bit sad, but I also think it's good because I simply don't have enough upload days anymore now that I'm taking it slow, as well as I don't have that much time and energy to edit the video every month. So I'm gonna enjoy this last one, hopefully. I haven't seen any spoilers, I don't know. In the previous one we got some Halloween things, so I don't know if this will be Halloween/autumn things. So I don't know if this will be autumn themed or winter themed, or if it will just be completely random again. I have no clue. That's what I'm gonna miss, not knowing what's in here. Oh, I see some orange and some brown tones. I think it's fall themed. But before I start, I want to say one last thing. First of all, of course, a big thank you to the ladies from Papierre for sending these to me every month. It has been so fun doing these videos every month, reading what your favorites are and telling you what my favorites were and comparing the two, and simply just getting to use their stationery every month. Because I do receive these packs for free. I make these videos because I want to make them. And that's why they send me the stationery subscription. I don't get paid other than receiving these for free, but of course, like I said, a big thank you to them for sending me these every month, and I hope that in the future maybe I can do these again. Okay, let me now just grab these out. First of all, the little referral card. I also forgot to tell you that last time. If you decide to sign up to Papierre, don't forget to tell them that you were referred by me, so Vivian at ThePaperLetterBlog, or Vivian or ThePaperLetterBlog, it doesn't really matter, and then they will send you some extra stationery. So don't forget to mention me. I don't get anything extra in return, but you could get something else, so that will be really fun. And then they also have a website which is called extraordinarypenpals.com. This is our little note. They always include something of a little note for us. And then on the back is a pen pal ad. I'm not gonna turn it around because then you can see someone's address and I don't want that, but there's always a pen pal ad. That's a video finishing, which is quite fun. Now let me just open this pack. Whoa, this is bright orange. I'm actually quite excited for fall crafting, not gonna lie. That has to be a first. But I'll put this in the fall pack. First of all is a, like I said, bright orange pack. Bright orange stationery with cute lines in it. En ben je klaar met naar boven naar beneden rennen? So first up is this orange sheet with a little bunny holding some carrots, which I actually think is quite cute. I already see in their note that they have included a couple cute animals. Not always my style, but I definitely like this more than, who doesn't like a little bunny? So this will go right in my fall stash, but I think it could also be used in spring or something. The envelope that goes with this pack is this one. Again, bright orange Orange is not usually my colour, but I mean, it is fall. So that goes well with fall themed stationery. Next up is a lot more my style. It's floral. It's like a little greyish background, beautiful browns, lots of fall colours. This is definitely up my alley, even though I normally choose a lot brighter colours or a lot more pastel. Okay, spoiler, where's the envelope? More pastel-like colours, but this goes well with vintage supplies as well. That's what this reminds me of, and the envelope that goes with that is gorgeous as well. It has like some sort of a wreath with the same type of flowers. I actually really like that, and I can totally imagine pairing that with some vintage book pages. As always, let me know in a comment down below what your favorite is. I'm just trying to grab the next one. Oh, I forgot to say, but you can always choose that you get 6 designs in every pack, and then you can choose how many you want. So I get 4 of each design, so I get 24 in total, but you can also choose to go for 2 of each design or more. I forgot how many you can choose. And then you can, the envelope pack is optional, so you can choose if you want envelopes or not. The next one is a little owl. That's actually quite adorable, but what I like most is this sort of feather design around the corners. Quite like that, really pretty. A nice calm brown, and the envelope that goes with it is even more pretty because it has all of the feathers. And then the owl on the front, and then here we have something new. They're doing a slot for your return address as well as a slot for the receiver's address. So I quite like that. I quite like that. So that's the first 3. Off to a good start, I would say. Then we are going to grab from the bottom, which is this design. Oh, it's like a fireplace design. So it's like 2 pairs of feet under a blanket and a fireplace. The feet are a little bit rendered, but wow, I love the houseplants on this fireplace. Really cozy feel, and then it has some sort of a watercolor grey, yellowish background, which I quite like. I really like how there's a variety of styles, and then the envelope also has that same design. The fireplace, the feet, and then all of the houseplants. That is quite cute actually. And then this says, please deliver to, with lots of space for writing the address, which is good. Also, that I am curious, how many lines does your country addresses have? For example, the Netherlands, we have someone's name, a street name, the postal code, and city, and then the Netherlands. So for us in national mail, we only need 3. If you were to write to me from a different country, you would need 4. But this has 5, so I wonder how many countries have that many lines. But it's definitely good because for some countries like India, you need like 8 lines or something. I can never get used to that. The next design is, oh, little mice. Definitely a lot of critters in this one, 3 already. Okay, the next design is little mice. It's quite simple actually, but it has a grid design on the background, and I am obsessed with grid designs. It's quite faint, so I don't know if you guys can see, but then it also has lines on the top. If it were me, I also wouldn't have minded if it was just the grid design, because like I said, quite obsessed. Oh, here on the envelope you can see the grid design a little bit more clearly, but I'm not complaining. I think that's quite cute. And then of course some sort of washi tape strip, and these little mice. These little mice. This would also go quite nicely with winter themed mail, I think, because of the dark blue. We are already onto the last design. Oh, and it's a good one. It's a good one. This might actually be my favorite. It says autumn in the forest, and then this says kindly deliver to. And it has mushrooms, it has orange, it has leaves, but it's almost a pastel orange, which I, in all honesty, like so much more than the bright orange. This is right up my alley. Soft tones combined with some pretty designs. Yeah, I actually think this is my favorite. So we saved the best for last. So this is my favorite, and then followed by this one with the, of course, the florals. I mean, that was a no-brainer. Then the feather / owls is on the 3rd place. I think the fireplace is on the 4th. Mice on the 5th, and then the bunny on the 6th. Even though I don't hate the bunny, he's just like sort of accidentally last. So those are my favorites. Let me know your favorites in the comments down below. Would you have liked to receive this pack? Did you subscribe? And if yes, did you like this month? Oh, there's also some mushrooms on the back. That is cute. And I will see you again very soon with... Okay, I've been having issues with my camera, so video got cut off for no apparent reason, but what I was saying is, of course, that I will see you again soon with a new video. If you want to know when that is, hit the notification bell. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to support my channel, and all of my socials, including Instagram and Patreon, are linked down below. Okay, I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye!